Hi and welcome to our second day in Malta. On our second day we went to the port. I booked a trip to the lagoon and to Gozo. And also on the boat we booked an extra speedboat trip around the caves in the lagoon. Our first stop was at the Blue Lagoon. Unfortunately there were a lot of people so it was pretty crowded in some places. We went on that speedboat ride which was a lot of fun. We also heard some stories and visited the cave. After the tour, we went back to the lagoon and bought some food and some cold drinks because it was really hot at this point. Our next stop was Gozo, where we had 2 hours to wander around. I found a hidden beach where we went for a swim, and it was amazing. I even snorkeled a bit there and had just a really good time there. There weren't much people around. You just have to be careful because there are a lot of jellyfish around, so you need to keep in mind that there's swimming jellyfish around you.
Swimming is done. To the boat.
After a while, we had to get back to our boat for a meeting so we can go to another cliffside or something like that. Then we had a last stop at this cliff for a quick swim, but I noticed that I bled through, so I didn't even to go in the water. We also had a toilet on our boat, but it was not working, so I first checked if it's working, but it wasn't, so I didn't even try to go on it. And I tried to cover up my bled through swimming suit and pants with a towel that I brought with myself. Fortunately, nobody noticed, not even my dad, who was literally sitting 1 centimeter next to me. So, yeah. So, on our way back home to our hotel, I said to my dad that I'm the first one showering and if he doesn't mind, and he said no, of course not. So at the hotel, I quickly went to shower and changed my tampon, and I finally felt the relief. After that, we got dressed and went again to the shore for some fish and chips. I also drank a cocktail. It was very, very delicious and a good ending to our day number 2.